So I was thinking about making a wooden diamond. And I was thinking about ways to do that. This one looks really nice. Um, I don't know how they did it. I don't know how they did it. But what I was thinking was to get like a block of, like say, or like a 4x4 piece of wood like this. And then you would have to get diamond shape. Um, the diamond shape. I don't know what shape that is though. So we need to somehow find out. So let's go to shapes, images, and it looks like a heptagon. No, it's not a heptagon. It's, looks like a 6. Not this one. This one looks like it. Yeah, it's a hectagon. Octagon. Octagon shape. So like this one. This cut one. So you would basically have to get that like how it is here. Then I was thinking you would have to put that on the center of the 2x4 and find that'll be the top part, and you have the like the one right underneath that, which will be so this one will be smaller, the top one, and then the bottom one will be slightly like a 45-degree cut in, so it would have to be bigger. So you would have to measure the distance from here to here on the 2x4, so maybe like an inch down. Then measuring from that point to the bottom on that, which would be like another, well, probably be like 2-3 inches. Cut that wood so you have a little block, and then obviously making a like a rough cut of the diamond on each side, or on 2 sides, and then cut that out. And then obviously the, well, you could put the little octagon shape here, and then the one outside of it, and then you could cut through to the large one. Then from the little one, you could do like a 45-degree cut into the 1 inch mark. So that would have to be wrapped around that. Then you would have to find the center point on the end piece and cut down from there. You have a perfectly shaped diamond, wooden diamond like this. And I was learning about this on YouTube with block, I think 3D girl. So yeah, this stuff, especially I think it was this guy right here, but it can also be made. You guys can also make a diamond by doing those simple steps. And yeah, something I was just thinking about. Fairly easy, not complicated. Until you put your hand at it, it might be more challenging than just simply said. But yeah, it would be like some of these right here. And then there's also some images on Google where you could get an idea of these 3D objects that people create out of wood. And yeah, see like this. So you would put the diamond on this side and this side. Pretty awesome. Let's see if someone has attempted to make one. They made these type here. Pretty cool. This one here. This one looks pretty cool. Wrong. Looks awesome. But yeah, I don't know. I don't really see it here, but it's the same concept. And I was just thinking about it, and I guess that's just a quick way to make something out of an octagon. And I guess you could get like any type of shape, which is pretty cool, honestly. But yeah, you can make your own homemade wooden diamond if you wanted to. And yeah, you can cut it. Why not? Engrave a hole in it, make it into a little stash box, install some magnets, That's what they did here. You have two magnets. Put it together. It'll be concealed. It's pretty awesome as well. Love it. Yeah, these guys are very creative. It's amazing. These guys, just by me looking at all these images and stuff, it inspires me. It makes me want to do stuff like this, you know? I mean, that's just wood as well. But still, it's amazing. A lot of things could be made out of wood. Most things are made out of wood. Besides cars, we have houses made out of wood. I mean, I'm sure there's some cars. Maybe. I mean, we build boats out of wood. Why can't we build a mobile car out of wood? But anyway, yeah, that's a quick way to make diamond, and it's not complicated at all. Um, Maybe I will make a video of me actually doing one, making one. Thanks to these guys. Um, I came up with the idea.